Pipe burst chaos. Backpack soaked. So, the day was wild. I was just in the cafeteria, chilling in line for lunch when bam, fire alarm. Everyone's rushing outside and it's chaos. We're all like, what's going on? Then we hear it. A pipe burst right by the cafeteria. My backpack was right there. Everything got soaked, like drenched. Ugh, had to go home early. Now I'm drying my poor notebook with a hairdryer. Crazy, right? Can you even imagine that happening to you? If you've ever had a day like this, drop a comment below. Let's share our most bizarre school stories.